Hey there, ChatGPT enthusiasts! Have you ever heard of Notable? If not, check this out because today I'm going to show you how this brilliant tool allows you to interact with any API in seconds, no coding required. So let's dive right in. First things first, select GPT-4 from the menu and then enable the Notable plugin. If you don't have Notable, just go ahead and install the plugin from the ChatGPT Plus plugins library. Also, you're going to need a free Notable account, so make sure you have this set up before you start. Now for the fun part, let's see Notable in action. We're going to analyze some weather data using the OpenMeteor API. I've already typed a prompt containing the API URL and an example of the expected JSON response format. Don't worry, I'll paste this prompt in the comments below for you guys. Now watch closely, this is where the magic happens. Notable works its charm behind the scenes, writing the Python code, interacting with the API to fetch our data, parsing it and starting the analysis. Notice that Notable just created a new notebook for this task, and it's writing code to fetch the data from the API. And now the data was successfully loaded, and Notable is converting it into a pandas data frame and showing the results. And look at that! Isn't that amazing? Absolutely mind-blowing. No code. Now let's try to analyze the data. Notice how I've given the Notable plugin just a very general instruction to analyze the data and provide some useful charts. Okay, look at that. It's starting to create some results. Oh my god, look. It created a plot of the rainfall between 2015 and 2023. Amazing. And now it's starting to create a table of statistics. Wow. Now Notable is preparing a plot. It's saying, let's plot these values to visualize the trends over time. And here's a plot of total and average annual precipitation over the requested years, 2015 to 2023. Now let's imagine we're curious about rainfall in June. So let's ask the question in simple English language. Let's analyze the rainfall in June. It's as simple as that. And now, sure, we can analyze the rainfall data specifically for the month of June. Let's start by extracting the data for June from our data frame. Check this out. Here are the results for the month of June. Remember, I haven't written a single line of code. Notable fetched all the information from the API, an API that it never had heard about before. I just described the API, and it was able to access the data. First, Notable provided the initial rows of the table, and now it's starting to provide an analysis. Check this out. It has calculated the average rainfall for June from 2015 to 2023. The information is completely up to date as it pertains to June 2023, the month in which I'm recording this video. Just to cover all the bases, Notable is now tossing in a chart showing the rainfall for the month of June. Let's try something more challenging. So far we have asked for information dating back to 2015. However, let's say we want to find the year with the highest rainfall in July since 2000. To accomplish this, Notable would need to make another API request with the date range from 2000 to the present day. Let's see if it's able to generate the API request that we taught it earlier, but change the start date to 2000. And it's successful. The year with the highest rainfall in June from 2000 to 2023 is 2018 with a total precipitation of 5.1 millimeter. That's amazing. The Notable plugin enables you to generate API calls for virtually any API without the need to write code. The really cool thing is that you can access the Notable notebook later and either edit the generated code or use it for other projects. Thanks for listening! As always, if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy analyzing!